தோடுடைய செவியன் விடை ஏறியோர் தூவன் மதிசூடி தோடுடைய செவியன் விடை ஏறியோர் தூவன் மதிசூடி காடுடைய சுடலை பொடி பூசியன் உள்ளம் கவர் கள்வன் ஏடுடைய மலரான் முனைனார் ஆதியும் மந்தமும் எல்லாருப்பெரும் சோதியை யாம் பாட கேட்டேயும் வாழ் கடங்கள் செவியோனின் செவிதான் மாதேவன் கடல்கள் வாழ்த்தி.
This is the school I graduated from. What you are witnessing is the crowd during the Chennai, Mylapore, Kapaleeshwarar Ther and Aruvathi Moover festival. This festival happens in Mylapore, one of the oldest temple belonging to Lord Shiva. It's called Kapaleeshwarar Temple. And this event happens again in the month of Panguni, which occurs between March and April each year. And it consists of two events. One is called the Ther, that is a very large big chariot in which Lord Shiva is seated, and then he is taken around the temple. And following day is a festival called Nayanmars, Aruvathi Moover. Basically it's 63 saints called Nayanmars or the Aruvathi Moover, and they are taken in a procession, and the entire community takes part in this festival with a lot of energy, as you can see. Almost all the roads surrounding the temple are obviously closed, and it's a mind-boggling. You'll see a festival environment, mind-boggling, with vendors displaying a lot of their wares on the streets, and vehicle movements are obviously stopped. And this event actually starts sometime between 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the evening and goes all the way till midnight. To avoid the crowd, I thought I will step into it towards the night, and I went around 9:30 p.m. Still the crowd was really overwhelming. What you are seeing is called Lakshadibam. Basically it's 1,100,000 lights that are being over this temple. This is a phenomenal experience, and this is the lake in which again it's also called Teppam. It's a lake or a pond, and it's another mind-boggling view from the temple. Aruvathi Moover are being lined up now. They are done with the going around the temple, and they are ready to enter the temple now. And you see a lot of crowd. I was fortunate enough to manage sneak into this crowd and get to very close to the deities, and it was really a marvelous experience. Something I did not plan at all, and it all just happened. Definitely I never experienced this since my childhood, and it's going to last in my memories for a very long time. So what you are seeing now is the main deity Kapaleeshwarar, and the one that is seated right next to it is this is Kapagambal, wife of Lord Shiva. This is again a very phenomenal, and it's very hard to get this close and get the darshan, and the crowd was still again overwhelming, but we just managed to get closer and able to capture this video and got a very close look. So this is very nice, it's a great experience. I hope all of you are getting to enjoy this video. Nayanmars are being carried into the temple, and they will be again left in the temple for darshan for the next 1 year, and then again hopefully next year we get to witness this Aruvathi Moover festival again. So all the Nayanmars are being taken inside the temple. As you can see, one by one they are leaving, and to get inside the temple is very hard, and only the people who are carrying this are allowed and then followed by the public. So I thought me and my friend, we just got behind one of this, and then we thought we can sneak into the temple, and yeah, it worked. So we waited for the right time, and then there are 3 female Nayanmars out of the 63. 60 are the male saints, and then there are 3 female saints. So we're going to shortly see the female saint that is being carried inside the temple. And once they arrived, we got behind that Vahan, and then we managed to get inside the temple. And the festival mood inside the temple was double what we witnessed in the outside the temple. And inside there was a lot of music, a lot of dancing, and that's the 3 female Nayanmars we just saw. And then